Hi everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Alex. Today, we'll learn how to talk about your holiday in English. Holidays are always exciting, aren't they? I remember my last holiday. I went to a small seaside town with my family. The beach was amazing, and the food, wow. Before we start, let me ask you, did you go anywhere recently? Try to remember a moment you enjoyed. Great! Let's start step by step. First, think about your holiday. Ask yourself, where did I go? How long did it last? Who was with me? Let me give you examples. I went to Paris for a week with my family. I visited a mountain village for 3 days with my friends. I stayed at home and explored my city during the weekend. You can use simple sentences. It's not about long words, it's about telling your story clearly. Tip: repeat the important details. This helps your listener remember. Now, describe what you did. Did you visit tourist spots? Relax on the beach? Try local food? Take photos? For example, I visited the Eiffel Tower, walked in the streets, and tried delicious pastries. I went hiking in the mountains and saw amazing views. Let's make it more fun. Imagine talking with a friend. Friend, what did you do on your holiday? I visited the museum, had lunch in a small cafe, and finally walked along the river. It was amazing. Try to add little stories or funny moments. For example, I tried surfing for the first time. It was tricky, but fun. Holidays are about feelings too. Say how you felt. Examples: I had a wonderful time. The weather was perfect, and the people were very friendly. It was breathtaking. I will never forget this experience. You can also use words like amazing, exciting, relaxing, beautiful, unforgettable. Use short sentences and link your ideas, first, then, after that, finally. Example: First, we visited the museum. Then, we had lunch in a small cafe. Finally, we walked along the river. Tip: avoid long, complicated sentences. Your goal is clarity. Exercise: try telling your last holiday in 3 short sentences. Then add 1 sentence about your feelings. Write it in the comments. That's it. Now you know how to talk about your holiday in English. Practice with friends or family. Remember, the key is to keep it simple and share your experiences. Holidays are fun, and talking about them can be fun too. Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day.